When it comes to taking on life in style, the 2025 Toyota Sequoia is ready. Powered exclusively by the iForce Max hybrid EV powertrain, Sequoia is up for anything. This premium performance is all about that ideal blend of comfort and capability, making this an impressively versatile and powerful full-size SUV. Together with its refined interior appointments, every drive is more comfortable than ever. From cruising around town to epic cross-country road trips, everyone can come along for the ride thanks to Sequoia's seating for up to 8. That's not all. Sequoia empowers drivers with the confidence behind the wheel, thanks to its advanced driver assistance technologies and the standard Toyota Safety Sense suite. A diverse lineup means Sequoia has something for everyone. Featuring 6 grades including the new 1794 edition and a choice of 2- or 4-wheel drive, this powerhouse SUV is packed with plenty of value to match its versatility and refinement, both of which are in full show with the way it drives. Sequoia doubles down on a refined drive, and it's backed by electrified power that's ready to handle it all. The standard iForce Max hybrid EV system serves up a pavement-pounding 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque for smooth, effortless acceleration. Combined with the available part-time 4-wheel drive system, Sequoia is ready to tackle challenging road conditions. This impressive power and traction are complemented by a chassis designed to keep everyone comfortable. Thanks to its independent rear coil spring suspension, Sequoia delivers a premium ride around town and on long road trips. For an even higher level of comfort, the available adaptive variable suspension ups the refinement no matter the road surface, while the available load-leveling rear height control air suspension helps keep the rear end level when towing for an even more sophisticated drive. The performance story doesn't stop there. Sequoia's available TRD off-road package includes Bilstein shocks and an electronic locking rear differential to enhance its off-road performance. Additionally, the TRD Pro grade builds on this with TRD-tuned Fox shocks, making Sequoia as capable off the beaten path as it is on pavement. On top of that, Sequoia's max towing capacity of up to 9,520 pounds brings added versatility when it's time to bring more gear on the road. This well-rounded performance is backed by head-turning looks and unique details that allow Sequoia to stand out even more. Refined yet rugged, Sequoia's eye-catching design adds to its premium feel. Features like standard LED headlights command attention on the road, while the capstone grade's 22-inch alloy wheels add a touch of elegance to this versatile package. In contrast, Sequoia TRD Pro takes inspiration from Toyota's off-road history with its heritage-inspired front grille and integrated LED light bar, giving it a look that hints at its incredible performance. Additionally, features like the available power liftgate bring added practicality, while the available panoramic glass roof brings the outside in. Plus, the available power retractable running boards add an extra layer of convenience when entering and exiting the vehicle. Sequoia's exterior is backed by a stylish interior, and it comes packed with smart touches for that ideal blend of form and function. Step inside Sequoia's cabin and experience an interior that combines comfort, style, and flexibility. This starts with supportive heated front seats that come standard in all grades. Higher grades build on this with available heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats, an available heated steering wheel, and available heated and ventilated second-row captain's chairs, ensuring optimum comfort for all, no matter how long the trip is. On top of that, Sequoia doubles down on eye-catching details that add to its upscale vibe. Available genuine wood grain trim and available two-tone leather-trimmed seats give Sequoia a truly upscale feel. For 2025, Sequoia 1794 edition brings even more style to the lineup with its saddle tan leather-trimmed seats, resulting in a unique look with a dash of rugged sophistication. Meanwhile, an available TRD leather-wrapped steering wheel, available red interior trim, and the Heritage Toyota badge on TRD Pro emphasize Sequoia's performance credentials. Sequoia complements its premium appointments with clever solutions that make it so versatile. The available 60/40 split fold-down third row with power sliding and recline functions easily expands the cargo area with just a press of a button, while the standard multi-level adjustable cargo shelf system provides drivers with more ways to make use of the available space. Plus, 2 available 400-watt AC power outlets mean everyone can stay plugged in while unplugging on that weekend getaway. Sequoia's interior also houses plenty of tech features, all of which make staying connected and informed so convenient. Sequoia is all about intuitive technology, and it's most evident with the latest Toyota Audio multimedia platform. Featuring a standard 8-inch or available 14-inch touchscreen, it includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SiriusXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Select grades also include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Additionally, the standard 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and available head-up display puts key information front and center, while an available Qi-compatible wireless charger helps keep mobile devices charged. Plus, the available 14-speaker JBL premium audio system provides an immersive listening experience when playing those road trip tunes. Sequoia's innovative spirit goes beyond audio multimedia tech. On the road, Sequoia's active safety and driver assistance features bring a new level of confidence. Every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Sequoia's available driver assistance technologies add even more convenience behind the wheel. Features like the standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert can warn the driver when a vehicle in the next lane enters a blind spot even when pulling a trailer. Plus, the standard front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and panoramic view monitor makes maneuvering the vehicle in tight spaces easier than ever. This convenience extends to off-road driving and towing too. The available multi-terrain monitor helps the driver see what's around the vehicle, while the available trailer backup guide makes backing up a trailer easier than ever. Thanks to its powerful electrified performance, Sequoia empowers drivers to take on life and everything that comes with it. Together with its refinement and premium appointments, everyone can enjoy the ride in total comfort. The value only gets stronger from there, since every new Sequoia includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance and 2-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. And since it's a hybrid EV, Sequoia is backed by an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first, making it a great choice for the long haul. With all factors considered, Sequoia is ready to elevate the drive with its head-turning style and segment-busting electrified power. Want to learn more? Visit toyota.com/Sequoia.